What if you only have 10 bucks in your pocket and you wanna turn that into more money? In this video I start my new series, how to turn 10 bucks into 1k. This series was originally recorded in Brazil, where I used 10 reais, which are actually worth $2 at the current exchange rate. However, as this method can be replicated worldwide, I will convert 10 reais to 10 bucks. That could be $10, euros, or even francs, whatever. What matters is the method. This is how I started my journey, selling on the street to conquer my dream of traveling through Europe with my backpacker channel. And now I want to share with you how anyone can do the same, even you.
This will be the most epic series on the internet.
Welcome to the most epic videos on the internet. So I went to the supermarket with just 10 bucks in my pocket and with my wisdom to mine the product with the most potential to bring me quick profit. The best product is one that brings many units in a single package and that everyone buys.
Yeah.
For example, Fini is good, but the price is a little high and not everyone likes it.
I don't trust who doesn't like Fini.
The free gels has 12 units. I could make 50% profit on this product, but I wanna make more than that. This is a good option, Mine Candies, but it's a little above our initial budget, 18 bucks. Finally, I found the best option, Sweet Jelly Beans. A package of jelly beans cost 9 bucks. The good old capitalism started. I would spend 9 bucks on it to make 30 bucks, meaning 200% profit per package. I quickly made my decision. From this box of sweet jelly beans, I would build my castle. From these 9 bucks, 1,000 will come out.
The good and old capitalism. You spend money to make money.
You're right, Jose. You spend money to make money. I was going to say a motivational phrase, and now the journey begins. On my first attempt, I was ignored. It must be because I had my shirt on backwards. It's really hard to get out of your comfort zone, but after a few tries, I found some of my subscribers. And in my first sale, I made 5 bucks. Thank you, my subscribers. You rock, and let the games begin.
Opa, boa tarde aí todo mundo, tudo bom? Tô vendendo aqui, ó, pra viajar o mundo, quero sair do Brasil, só R$1. Jujuba, pra adoçar a vida, vocês querem?
The strategy I use is this. I know people don't care, they are distracted by something in their life. So in the blink of an eye, I appear, offer my product, and 5 seconds after I leave, they won't remember my face anymore. They are distracted by something in their lives. The person will go back to doing whatever they were doing before I interrupted them. This helps you lose your shyness. In just 15 minutes, I've already sold 9 sweet jelly beans. In a quarter of an hour, the package is already paid for. And everything continued to go well, until a guy tried to avoid me by speaking English to me. But to his misfortune, I also do speak English. I wanna buy now. Little did he know that this means I wanna buy now. Sorry dude, you didn't manage to trick me with your fake English this time. And the sales continue. Offer to everyone. It doesn't matter if they are at the bus stop, in the supermarket, walking on the sidewalk, or at the drugstore. Offer to everyone. Get out of your comfort zone. Even I got out of my comfort zone in this video. I've always been afraid of women, of flirting with girls in school, and now we found a salon full of women. There must be how many women in there, man?
Somewhere around 30.
A VIP salon on top of that. So, this is serious. And I really do have this issue of being shy with women, but that's what we need to get out of our comfort zone, face our fears, work hard. But unfortunately, I didn't sell anything in that beauty salon that day. I had even let my hair down to look cute.
Let me see your face. What happened, man?
Everyone was looking at me with contempt.
I couldn't care less.
After I had walked and sold quite a bit, I spent an hour without being able to make a single sale. I've taken a lot of no's, but I've already sold 20-some sweet jelly beans, so the box is already paid for. I'm already in profit, and I can invest in 2 more packages. So I got down to business and I sold to a doorman of a random building. Thanks doorman, I sold inside stores to people who were drinking alcohol, and I went on until the pack was empty. Thank you, sir. I emptied the first box. It's 22 past tea time and now I'm going to buy 2 more and sell. Now let's move on to the second package. Now it's 20 to 6 p.m. and it's the time when bars start to open and kids get out of school. So let's use that to our advantage. Alright, let's stop wasting time with time-lapse. My secret is to talk to everyone who breathes. People love candy, and I don't know if you knew, but they love to buy things too. Everyone has an obsession with buying something. You just have to learn to sell. I've only been going for 10 minutes and I've already sold 10. Now I'm going to sell at the lottery. Sell sweet jelly beans at the lottery, buy the ticket, and you might become a millionaire with just 1 jelly bean. And selling things on the street is actually quite easy. You find a lot of cool people. The only negative point about selling on the street is that it's a very hard and repetitive job. But in the end, you always sell. This time is actually really good for selling. In half an hour I've already sold 2/3 of the pack. Now there are only 10 left to go to the next pack. And I kept selling until nightfall. When there were only 2 sweet jelly beans left, I found 2 guys who were selling eggs and hell yeah! I finished the second pack of jelly beans. Thanks, man. And that's how the economy works. The guys who were selling eggs used their money to buy my jelly beans, and with this money I bought more packages of jelly beans to make more money. You spend money to make money. This isn't money laundering, but it's clean and honest. Third box. This is the last pack and the bars are full of people, as you can see. Let's sell! And the mission is to empty the last remaining box of sweet jelly beans. Hello everyone, how are you? I'm selling sweet jelly beans so I can go for a Euro trip. Would you like to help? The bar just opened and it's already packed. And I must have been the first seller to go in there, I swear. Because I've already sold 11 in the first round. The funny thing is that there's this douchebag who studied with me. And he was there, man. And selling at night is easier. It seems like people are more likely to spend money on a Friday night. And when people are sitting and eating, the chances of them buying candy increase considerably. Also, many feel ashamed for not being able to buy something that only costs $1. That's also a strategy. The third pack took less than an hour to be completely sold. The last 2 jelly beans were sold to the manager of a grocery store who bought them from me just to put them on sale right away.
Aqui, ó. Agora ele vai voltar pra vender.
Capitalism, I love ya. And so the first day came to an end. I started the day with only $10. Spent 9 to buy a pack of sweet jelly beans with 30 units. I sold everything, bought 2 more packages, spent the night and day selling, and made $21 of profits per package. Times 3, $63 in total. But I ended up eating some jelly beans. And my cameraman too. But in the end we ended up with a profit of $53. In this first episode, I started with $10 and ended with $53. In the next episode I'll make Brigadeiros, and I should finish it with approximately $300. Share to help the channel so that I can inspire more people to get out of the hole with my tips. And that's all for today, folks. Until the next video.